Hello and welcome to Joe from Cell Phone Geek. Today we're going to go over a battery case for your iPhone X and XS. Pretty straightforward. This is just an unboxing video, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox you and show you this new case so you can charge your phone on the go if you're hiking or traveling or just need an extra boost of battery so you don't have to try to find a wall charger and be connected to the wall or have an external battery pack. This is just a nice easy feature so you can charge your phone again back up without having to plug it into anything. So this is a 4,000 milliamp battery attached to here, and pretty straightforward to use. There's a little battery indicator light on it showing you with the battery life. A couple of little quick directions here, how to put your phone into the case, and then also your little safety stuff. But here's the case. So it doesn't make it too large. But down here on the bottom is your power button. Shows you the battery life here with the lights. And then all you have to, and then when you set your phone in here, actually I think this looks like it charges wirelessly, which I didn't realize that. Let's see. It looks like this is got charges here wirelessly to this pad here on the back of the case, so that's nice. So you can still plug in your regular charger here to charge your phone, and then there's a second port here that you can see, and that's to charge the battery that's in this case. Otherwise, once your phone is in here, I don't currently have an iPhone X. Working on getting one of those, but once you get your phone in here, then the power button here in the back you hold down for 3 seconds, and that will turn this battery on, and then it will charge your phone. And then when you're done, you just hold that button down again for 3 seconds, and that will stop it from charging your phone. So pretty straightforward. If you just leave it on, it will charge until this case is dead. So there's another option as well. But like I said, this will charge your phone a whole nother time. So it's kind of a nice little feature to have. So it's kind of like having 2 iPhone batteries in one phone. Always this is the case. It's not too, still pretty thin. It is going to make the phone a little bit thicker, but not terribly thicker. Especially not the whole thing, since it does have that little cutout here in the top where the camera and stuff is. So I would say it's going to make the phone roughly about 1.5 times as thick as if it wasn't in the case. But when you do put a case on any iPhone or any case, or on any phone, the phone is going to get a little bit thicker just because of the case, obviously. But it is to protect it. That's why most of us use cases, and this is still going to protect the phone anyways. Either way, it's nice rubber case. It does have your little cutouts here for your volume up and down, for your mute switch, and then your power button on this side, and then obviously for the camera on the back. And the bottom's got the holes for your speakers, and then for your power cord. So pretty straightforward. This case is nice quality and fairly inexpensive. I'll put a link in the description down below so you can check it out for yourself, the case, and appreciate it if you'd use the link down below to purchase this case or anything else. It is an affiliate link. We are affiliated with eBay, so that's what keeps our channel running. So please use that link and support us. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll catch you next time.